Think of spring colour in the garden, think of evergreen shapely plants that just break out with stunning colour, and of course your mind immediately goes to evergreen azaleas. Now there's two here that we have on our shipping dock today. We grow many other varieties, but these are two that I wanted to draw your attention to. First, there's this very hardy selection called poukhanense, and this is the compact form. Now what's neat about this is that, believe it or not, this is a zone 4 plant. The buds are just about to open, and when they do, they come with this lovely lilac pink color that just lights up the whole garden. And then there's this neat compact form called Hino Crimson. Now this is a variety that's a standard variety that has the most fantastic, stunning single red flowers. Makes a lovely, compact, dense, rounded mound. Both of these will grow very well in a partially shaded site in a loose, woodlandy type soil. Make sure to put in plenty of organic matter like rhododendrons. Don't plant them too deep, and you can also put these in a mass display to give an absolutely stunning display. This is Hino Crimson and Poukhanense Compacta, two outstanding varieties of evergreen azaleas.